If you think wigs are hard to style or always look fake, let me prove you wrong in just 4 minutes. I'm about to show you how I went from this to this super fast, no heat, no glue, and no stress. All right, so I'm starting on clean stretched hair. I'm gonna go ahead and section off some hair in the front as you see me doing here. I would say it's about a 1.5 inch width. You really don't need much leave out for this. And by the way, my hair got a little wet right before while I was in the shower, just in case you may be wondering why some of the front pieces look like that. It's because it's wet, but no biggie. Okay, so I'm gonna clip that front hair up. And with the back, just gonna take it and gather it into a low bun. You could also cornrow or flat twist the back, basically whatever to keep it flat in a way. But when I don't wanna spend much time or effort, bun it is. Now I have my 3/4 wig here, and this one I actually made by taking some wefted hair and sewing it onto an old wig cap I had. I did a video recently on this exact hair that I used, so if you want more info on it, I will link that video below. All I have to do is attach the wig. I bring it right up to my part, secure by sliding in the combs in the front and on each side. Bring the wig over my bun, then slide the back comb up under it and adjust the drawstring so we're good and stable. Take down the front leave out and bring it towards the back. Then I take some edge control and I apply a thin layer all around my perimeter. Using a hard bristle brush, I'm brushing my hair flat to cover the start of the wig. This gets it ultra smooth. Then I like to go in and give my edges some shape. I put a scarf on to keep the front of my hair in place because I don't want this to move, and this also gives my edges a chance to set without being disturbed by this next part. So I need to blend the ends of my leave out with the wig hair, which is ultra simple. All I do is wet my hands with water, and I also take a dab of gel. I first apply that on, then I'll pretty much rake through with that water gel mixture, and I'll start to incorporate some of the wig hair as well so it kind of runs together. Basically, I shingle my natural hair to freeze my curl pattern to get it curly like the wig. Now, the wig curls are definitely looser than my natural curls, so it's not an exact match, but I find that curly extensions are really forgiving, so even when it's not a perfect match, it can still look good. After I'm done with that, which takes all of like 90 seconds to do, super fast, I remove the scarf, and the only thing really left now is to shape and fluff. I like to take the wig hair at the top and push it towards the front, aka flip the hair over. I also like to position it so it's a bit more side swept, and that's literally all it takes, y'all. So this is the final look. Undetectable, effortless, and perfect for any day, but especially if you're low on time and need a hairstyle fast. And even if the wind blows, we're still in business. It looks like it could be my actual hair. By the way, if I ever need to refresh the curls or reduce frizz, I will do the same as I did with my real hair and shingle some water and gel throughout the wig. Then I will clump together to set and also get more volume. And the best part about this is you can put it on and take it off whenever you want. So at night, I gently remove the unit, push my hair back, tie down my edges, and go to bed. In the morning, I remove the scarf, pop the wig back on, fluff, and I'm out the door.